Welcome to ADF Converter, the solution to your ADF problems. We're here to help you take control of your ADF leads. In this video, we will show you how to create custom rules to clean up your ADF leads. To begin, you need to click Create New Intake Sheet. To create a custom rule, you will need to have a copy of an ADF script that has already been sent to you. Once you have that ADF script, you're ready to go. Now we're going to get started by typing in your third-party vendor name. Next, type the name of your CRM. In the next field, type the source email. This is the email address your lead is coming from. Type the email of your destination. This could be a CRM. The email subject line is optional. If you would like to send your cleaned up data as a TXT file, or both an ADF and a TXT file, you will need an email address to send the TXT file to. This could be a salesperson or a GM at the dealership. Now we're going to create the custom rule. A common problem with ADF script is the provider name. Let's create a rule that will clean up the provider name in the ADF script. Start by finding and then copying the piece of the script that you would like to clean up. Paste the piece you would like to edit in the Original ADF Script dialog box. Then select Change in the drop-down box. Then select Provider in the next drop-down box. Next, you need to paste the piece of script that you want to change into the desired ADF script dialog box. Then make the change that you would like to see. For this example, we want the provider to be truecar.com instead of truecar/truecar. Now click Save Rules. If the rule is successful, you will see this dialog box and then click OK. After the rule has been created, you can click View Modified XML. You can scroll down to see the change in your ADF script. Finally, you will click Next. You will be taken back to your intake tally sheet. From here, you can see that the rule you created is a draft. To make the rule official, you will need to publish it. Go over, select the rule, then click Publish. And that's it. Now you've created a rule that will change your ADF script.